Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Discord's app icon. So currently, our Discord app icon is the standard purple icon. And for us to be able to change this, first is launch your Discord app. Then next is head over to your U profile found at the bottom right corner of your screen. So just click on it. Then next at the top right corner of your screen, click on your settings or gear icon. Then next is scroll down until you get to the app icon setting. So just click on it, and from here you can see various designs of the app icon that you can switch into. You even have here the seasonal design for Halloween, but you can only change to this design if you have the Discord Nitro. And to do that, click on this button that says Unlock all icons with Nitro. This will then take you to the purchase page, and here you can see details about Discord Nitro and how you can get them. So once you've purchased and subscribed to Discord Nitro, you can finally use the designs for your app icon. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!